Welcome back, Alpha Nuts. So a couple weeks ago was the first ever Alpha Fest USA. Hosted at Madness Auto Works in Spicewood, Texas, we had over 30 cars in attendance. And some of them are pretty rare. Let's take a quick minute and just appreciate all these cars. They were giving out lots of prizes and trophies, too.
It's an Alpha Cup!
That's Miguel. He organized this whole thing. And here's Boris, the owner of Madness. And if y'all have never checked out Madness Auto Works before, y'all should make a trip down. They have lots of really cool stuff. After the award ceremony, we hit the curvy roads west of Austin, including the famous Lime Creek Road.
Custom exhaust. Okay. Well, I got headers, and then it goes into a 3-inch pipe, and then there's a glass pack, and then straight out.
And we ended the drive under the famous Pennybacker Bridge.
See ya. Bye, Gene.
Well, this was a really fantastic event. I'm looking forward to the next one. See y'all next time.